This man was able to avoid a possible deadly encounter with a grizzly bear by using pepper spray. If this ever occurs to you, it's crucial to act calmly, just like this man did. Here's a fact. Even larger prey animals like water buffaloes may succumb to their wounds after escaping an initial attack. Working in places close to nature, sometimes you'll fall into situations like this. After sliding into the thick snow, a skier in Japan was fortunate to use his ski blades to keep away a rampaging wild boar. A frustrated elephant causes a traffic jam by some reasons.